Pagod at gutom ka na ba after a long day of work or study? Pero tinatamad kang umalis ng building?
Don't worry, Tony! Sagot ka namin!
I'm Townie Cha.
I'm Tony Alfred.
And this is another episode of
Townie
Explores! And today, samahan nyo kami as we explore the ultimate comfort food here sa Myton, Amsterdam, ang
Amaris Kitchen. No delivery fee, just right downstairs. Kaya tara, samahan nyo kami. Let's explore!
Wow! And now we're here. So let's ask them more about Amaris Kitchen. Hello po.
Hello po, good afternoon.
Good afternoon po.
Kuya, anong oras po yung nag-open ang Amaris Kitchen?
Ang opening hours po namin is 4 p.m. to 11 p.m. Every Monday to Sunday po yun. May special day din po kaming tinatawag na lunch day, which is tuwing Friday. Ang start naman po namin doon is 10:30 a.m. to 11 p.m. Bali sa day na po yun, doon po namin ina-emphasize yung lunch.
Ano naman po yung iyong crowd's favorite or yung bestseller?
Lahat na po ng nasa menu yan. Pero yung nagsa-standout po sa Amaris Kitchen is yung Only Wings po namin. Kung ako naman po tatanungin as a loyal customer and as a loyal employee sa Amaris Kitchen, ang ma-recommend ko pong sauce sa Only Wings namin is yung creamy Cajun and garlic parmesan.
Wow, okay! So ano naman po ang kaibahan niya sa ibang cafe or resto na may chicken wings din?
Ang pinagkaiba po ng Amaris Kitchen sa ibang resto is lahat po ng nasa menu namin ay homemade. Especially din po sa mga staff namin, passionate po sila when it comes to cooking. And pag pumasok po kayo sa store namin, parang mararamdaman nyo na, ay, feel at home ako.
Wow! Aside naman po here sa Myton, Amsterdam, saan po kami pwedeng umorder sa Amaris Kitchen? Like, meron po ba kayong online delivery?
Yes po, may online delivery po kami. And pwede nyo din po kaming i-chat sa aming Facebook page ng Amaris Kitchen. Meron din po kaming Food Panda and very soon na din po na Grab.
So yun guys, puntahan nyo lang sila dito sa Myton, Amsterdam, daily from Monday to Sunday.
Excited na ako, Tony Cha! Ano, subukan na natin ang chicken nila?
Tara, mukhang mabango dito eh. Tara, let's go! Kamusta? Nagustuhan nyo ba?
Sarap!
Ano yung naging favorite mo?
Ang favorite ko, ito, waffle na may deep soap.
Wow! Ako, ang nagustuhan ko naman is yung meron silang different dip like sriracha, cheese, and garlic mayo na pwede mong isawsaw, hindi lang yung chicken, but pati yung fries.
Yes!
Ako naman yung tonkatsu nila kasi aside from the meat itself, meron din silang salad.
How about you, Jess?
I think yung akin is yung drinks nila. Since may collagen kasi siya, you should try it.
So overall, nagustuhan namin yun dito and sobrang dami nilang menu. So if you don't like chicken, meron silang silog. If you want some light snacks naman, meron silang fries or waffles. So guys, try this out!
Amaris Kitchen! So yun guys, kung gusto yung matigman ang na-feature namin na food, dito lang yan sa Amaris Kitchen sa Mytown, Amsterdam.
If gusto nyo pa makapanood ng ganitong klaseng video, follow us or our social media page, ang Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok at Mytown Co-Living or at Mytown PH. Once again, I'm your Townie Cha.
I'm your Tony Alfred.
And see you again on our next episode dito sa
Townie Explore!